Hello everyone, in this question we have to find the value of y. We can see that this is an exponential equation actually. So to solve this question very fast, I will consider first this y to the power 8 as a x, that is okay, and after powering both side 1 over 8 we can write this as, and using this formula, that is a to the power m to the power n, we can write a to the power mn. Here power gets multiplied, okay. Using this formula we can write this, then we can cancel this too. So we will write here y equal to x to the power 1 over 8. Let's suppose this is first, okay. Now if we put the value of y in place of this quotient, so we will get, that is we can write according to quotient y to the power 2 y to the power 8 equal to 4. So if we write in place of y, that is this x to the power 1 over 8 and this 2. Once again I will write x to the power 1 over 8 to the power 8, which is equal to 4. Now using this formula we can cancel this 2. So we can write here x to the power 1 over 8 to the power 2, and this 2 get cancelled. After this become x, which is equal to 4. And using same formula we can write this x to the power 2x over 8, which is equal to 4. After cancelling 4 times we can write x to the power x over 4 equal to 4. And if we again powering both sides by 4, we can write this as, and this to get cancelled using this formula. So we can write x to the power x equal to 4 to the power 4, and here we can see that base are equal and also power are equal, so we can write x equal to 4. Now if we put the value of x in first, then we get y equal to x to the power 1 over 8, that is 4 to the power 1 over 8. So we get y equal to this is the required answer. And we can also prove this by putting this value, y value, in question. So we can write in place of y, that is 4 to the power 1 over 8 here, and power 2, and once again y, so I will write 4 to the power 1 over 8 to the power this 8, and once again using this formula we can cancel this 2. So we can write 4 to the power 1 over 8 to the power 2 and 4, and this become 8, so I will write 8, and this to get also cancel using this formula, so we can write 4, so we get 4. LHS equal to RHS, so we can say that y equal to this is the required answer. So thanks for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe this channel.